let's get ready. I am so dark in person right now, like you just can't see me, but just getting ready for my sister's wedding. I'm going to do just light makeup. Like I'm not even gonna put so much makeup because it's all just gonna melt under the sun. Like it is humid outside, so just gonna put like a very light makeup. Yeah, we're gonna start there. Let's get ready. This is nice. Like this mirror right here, it's so nice because then you don't have to look at the big mirror and then it's a little bit like zoomed into your face. So this is all I take right here. Still alright. Just gonna. Okay guys, this is the dress. It's kind of like awkward because it just like kind of sits there like that. I just need to put accessories and we are good. Let's see. I'm ready. Let's go see my sister. I am on the way to my sister's room because we're gonna have some pictures for her wedding.
Laki ng suso mo. Gumanto ulit. Mas malaki pa yung suso mo sa put mo.
Ina mo.
He's like,
Okay, I'm going to review this bruschetta. This is bruschetta. The bruschetta tastes amazing, guys. Please try it. Cheers. Cheers for the bruschetta.
for the bride and groom.
Ba't yun nandito? Wala ba nangyayari sa table nyo?
Picture! Picture!
Lasing na kami, hindi namin kaya. Oh.
Kiss my sunshine in the room.
Yeah?
Lubat na!
What namin pain.
Malaki ng bat, namatay na!
happy for both of you, and I'm very proud of your accomplishments together for the past 7 years.
We're doing the speeches. We're crying so hard.
Omar, I just want to let you know that I am very proud of you.
You got it. Good job.
I'm not gonna listen.
AJ's camera.
Hey, AJ's camera.
AJ's camera.
Hola. Buenos dias.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I'm
vlog ako. My camera.
couple.
This is AJ's camera.
But I wasn't gonna let Justin.
Okay.
Pakita mo yung best friend ni Pam. Best friend ni Pam.
Ng bride.
Thanks, Bea, for coming.
Oh, thank you so much.
And videos.
Of course, of
And the
course.
dancing.
Of course. Ang galing ko sumayaw. Nag-improve ako mula nung kasal niya, no?
Galing mo.
Nag-practice.
Ikaw na MC.
Tang
May
ina
ano
mo
mo,
ka.
kala ko, feeling ko kayang-kaya mo mag-MC.
Feeling ko
Para
rin.
ko ba?
Dapat pala ikaw yung NASCO.
Multilingual ako eh.
Kasi be, kayang-kaya mo.
Kaya ko.
Ang ganda-ganda mo mag-English. Show them.
Mag-Chinese.
Kunyari, kasal na nila. Oh, go. Everybody.
Rusty and Shane, Washishaula, Wobai,
Korean.
Bego Payo. Bego Payo.
English.
Congratulations to the newlyweds, Rusty and Shane. Spanish.
Español, sí.
Hola, mi amigo mierda, Shane and Rusty.
Be, ang galing mo na talaga.
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Imoy, anak, ay, apoy.